It's me, Blippi! Ooh, and look at what I'm eating. Oh, I am eating a yummy cherry! Ooh, I love cherries. I threw out the stem, and I threw out the seed. I love cherries because they're so sweet. Hey, I wonder how the cherries went all the way from the cherry farm to this package. Huh. Okay, first thing you need to do is pull the cherries off of the tree. And then you put it in the bucket right here. And when the bucket is really full, like this, then we go to the bin and pour out the cherries. Wow! Look at all of these cherries! Now that the bins are full of cherries to the tippy top, now it's time for the tractor to load up the bins. Look at the cherries. They look so yummy. I love cherries, and cherries grow in clusters like these. Let's pull off a cluster and count how many cherries are in the cluster. Whoa! Okay, 1 cherry, 2 cherries, and 3 cherries. Cherries look so tasty, and these cherries are the color red. Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa! Look at this giant door. Whoa! Gotta lock up the back of the truck. All right. Now the truck is full of cherries. Now it's time for the truck to take it to the packing facility. Cherries! Okay, now that the bins are full and in the factory, it's time to dump them in the water so they can get sorted and packed. Watch! All of these cherries. They look so tasty. Yum! So now it's time for the cherries to go up this conveyor belt and go get sorted in the factory. Whoa! Whee! There's so many cherries. So what I'm doing now is, oh, here's one. I'm pulling the stems throwing them away. And then I'm also looking, I'm looking for leaves and throwing them away. Whoa, here's one. Yes, another leaf. Good job. I'm getting so, oh yeah. Okay, so now we make sure these cherries are nice and clean so then they can go down the conveyor belt, so then they'll be nice and ready for you to eat. I'm filling up this clamshell container all the way full with cherries. Perfect. And there's a scale right here so I can weigh it. And now that it's the perfect weight, I seal it all up. Now this goes to the store. The cherries are all packed up, and now they're being loaded into the back of a semi-truck. Look! Cherries are so tasty! Whoa, look at them. They're like red. Wow, okay, I'll eat another cherry. Okay, this one doesn't have a stem. But it does, excuse me. But it does have a seed on it. Wow, I love cherries. And I love learning about how cherries go from the farm to a package like this, so that you and I can eat. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Okay, are you ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! Well, see you again. Bye-bye!